How to turn on or off time-lapse recording on Blackmagic camera application. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Blackmagic Cam application. And okay guys, here in Blackmagic Cam homepage, okay, go to settings on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap this. In settings, here in record section, you can see here the time-lapse recording. And the time-lapse recording is off. To turn on this, okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. So if this turn on, you can set also the capture 1 frame every. Okay, the capture 1 frame every is set into 2 frame. So you can change this or set this, okay, by clicking this, and you can see the option. So you can scroll down for more option here. So for example, I set into 3 seconds. The capture 1 frame every 3 seconds. The time-lapse recording. So okay, that's it. We have successfully turned on. And if you want to turn off again the time-lapse recording, okay, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, we have successfully turned on or off time-lapse recording on Blackmagic camera application. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.